First, you want to remove the casing clamp by unscrewing the wing nut. Remove your casing clamp. Casing clamp over here. Next, you're going to take off the outer casing. Okay, so you have your outer casing over here. You need to take out your impeller pin to where it slides into the impeller. Remove your impeller off, and then take your impeller pin out. Okay, next you're going to take off your casing gasket and discard it. That's trash. Discarded it. Now we're going to take off the back plate, move back plate, turn clockwise. That loosens up the back plate pins. Set this aside. You're going to need that again. Now you're going to remove your carbon, your cup, and your spring at the same time. And your O-ring usually stays inside the carbon seal. It's apart. So at this point, a brewery would have their new seal kit. Let's just do new ones. We can take them back off and put them back in here. So here's this. This opens up. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is put your new shaft O-ring, and you're going to line that up along this groove in the shaft. Next, you're going to put your spring on. Inspect it to make sure there's no, it's not broken. Before I put the spring on, look for this notch on the shaft. Put it at your 12 o'clock position. Then put your spring on. Next, you're going to take your carbon seal and your cup, and you're going to want to line them back up together. Just comes apart. You got your tabs and your notches on your carbon seal. In this cup, there's a groove right here, and that lines up with this notch on your shaft. So you're going to put it together, and you've got your notch at the 12 o'clock, so you're going to put this groove also at the 12 o'clock position. And then you're going to want to line it up. So you have your back plate. You're going to want these pins, back plate pins, hook around these. So you're going to put it on, find it, and then put this on and look through the guard, lock it into place. So then you put your new casing gasket on. This just clicks around. That's that. So now a tricky thing with the impeller pin, you're going to want to put it in there with the shaft horizontal. Put it in and slide it to where you can't see the impeller pin. And then you're going to put the impeller on. In order to make the impeller lock, all you do is turn the shaft, and the impeller gravity will pull the impeller pin out. So now you have your seal back together. Now you're going to put your pump casing back on. Make sure your outlet's facing up. Whoa, it's got a little heavy. And then you're going to reinstall your casing clamp.